In the normal K-sampler, you can adjust the denoise amount. It works by adding noise internally, and the denoise value decides how much of that noise gets removed. But in the advanced K-sampler, that option isn't available. The sampler runs without an exposed denoise control. To set it manually, right-click on the node. From the menu, select Set Denoise. An input box will appear for steps and denoise. Enter 15 steps and set the denoise amount to 0.4. When you confirm, the sampler calculates the total steps for you. In this example, it creates a total of 37 steps, starting at step 22. That gives you the 15 steps you specified. It automatically calculates the steps for you based on the denoise amount you enter. Let's try another example. If I enter 20 steps with a denoise value of 0.4, the system recalculates everything. It generates a total of 50 steps, starting at step 30. That gives the 20 active steps I requested. This method lets you use the advanced K-sampler while still defining a denoise amount through the step range. This solves the problem I had when trying to set a denoise amount while using the advanced K-sampler. Now the denoise value can still be controlled through the calculated step range. Enjoy! This is Apex Artist. Here, you will find tips, tricks, and optimized workflows you won't find anywhere else. Subscribe for more videos like this.